The unreserved aspect was imperative for me. I mean, if you want to have people come from a bigger area to bid on the equipment, it's important to them to know that that piece of equipment is going to be sold that day. We picked Ritchie Bros Auctioneers to have this sale because they're the largest auction company in the world, and they have a reputation for bringing buyers in from all over the globe.
We got 12.5 on the internet.
Ritchie Bros did a really good job of marketing the sale. There was posters, billboards, of course their catalog. We had, this morning we had over 1,000 registered bidders. I don't know how many there were in total, but it was an amazing attendance.
Sold $17,000 right down here.
Go for it!
All for it. Thank you very much.
We had a fantastic turnout today. You know, the prices were good and everything just went together really well.